What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Right now we are currently en route to drop off our new wheels, and yeah man, they're Rovos. I'm finally going back to another street setup. I think it was the last video I literally said that I was never going back on a street setup. Well, I ate my words. The Jeep started clicking and clanking and knocking, so that one has to get torn apart, and that is my daily driver to work. And I no longer work for my oil field, guys. I no longer work in the Permian Basin, but I am still representing, man. So I did get an awesome job back home, man. So I am driving to work every day now back home. So I need something reliable, which the Jeep is dead nuts reliable. It's clicking and clanking, but I don't want to keep driving it until a skirt comes apart. So that's the reason for these. I ordered some wheels and tires for the Mustang. I already have the tires at Discount Tire. Once we get them, I will show you guys what we got. But I got the Rovo Durban. I'll wait to show you guys until we mount them up. But yeah, man, I think they will complement the car well. Excuse me, I'm in traffic right now. But I won't be able to take them to Discount Tire, man. I'm working a ton of overtime. So Pops, shout out Pops, man. I'm going to his house right now, dropping these off to him because I'm working Saturday. Discount Tire is closed Sunday, so I won't have time to mount them. So Dad's gonna take them tomorrow and then have them ready at the shop. But tomorrow when I get out, I will mount them on the car, which will be in a couple minutes for you guys. But yeah, just updating you guys on what we're doing, taking them to Dad's house, dropping them off with him, getting ready for work tomorrow. After work, we will mount them. And like I said, it will be real soon for you guys. But can't wait, man. Can't wait for this new street setup. I think it's gonna look freaking awesome. So stay tuned, guys. What's going on, fellas? Welcome back to yet another video. As you guys can tell, man, we're back and I have the wheels here. They look amazing. They're a little bit darker than I thought. For some reason, I thought they were gonna be more chrome. So I went with the black chrome, guys. I didn't want to do chrome again. I didn't really want to do black because I've only had like 2 sets of black wheels on this car. I've had 2 pairs of FR500s. I've had Celines. I've had black SVE drags. I've had 2 sets of these Weld RTSs. I've had Jegs wheels. I've had SVE Series 3s. I've had Rovos. Any other wheels I can think of. I've had a lot of different wheels, a lot of different combinations, a lot of different finishes, and I think these look freaking good, man. But check it out. These are the Rovo Durbans black chrome. Now the reason I went with black chrome is because I think they will fit the car well, because carbon fiber hood, smoked lights, the black tint, the black badges, and the black, everything's smoked out, you know. So I think once the light hits these, you can tell they kind of look chrome here. And then I'm gonna do chrome lug nuts as well. I think they'll look pretty solid. I got a 275/40, 18 in the rear, and 245/40, 18 in the front. And these were recommended by my boy DBP, because I wanted something that will, you know, all right hook, but something that will be good in the rain. So these grooves look nice. I like the aggressive styling of the tire. So without any more talking, man, we're gonna mount these up and see how our wheel gap and everything looks, because ever since we added those drag springs, it did raise it a little bit. So I'm excited to see. And man, honestly, I'm excited to drive this car on the daily again. I'm excited to put some miles on it and just enjoy it, man. That's really why I got the drag set up again. And because the Jeep is currently going under the knife. Yes, I'm draining all the coolant right now. I'm draining all the oil. And we got a set of pistons and rods for it. So this head is coming off tonight. So as you guys are seeing this, I'm working on multiple things. So yes sir, let's get these tires mounted up, see what they look like, man. I'm excited, let's go. All right guys, we're back. Forgot to pick up the camera, we got them mounted. About to take off, man, it's been a long day. Check it out. I think they look good, man. A little bit darker than I thought, but it does go with the color scheme. I'm just super used to the chrome already, but let me know what y'all think, man. Is it a W? Check out all the work we got done at the Jeep today. Pulled everything out of the way, wiring harness, intake. Just gotta unbolt the head. And then these are awesome, man, because we don't have to mess with the timing or anything. We got a new set of pistons for it. Stop all that noise in the engine. Cherry picker over here. But yeah, man, we got a lot to do. So I'm still gonna pick this video up. It's not over yet. We're gonna pick it up tomorrow in the sunlight and see what it looks like in the sun. I'm excited. All right, guys, it's been a couple of, more than a couple of days. It's been about a week. And I've had enough time to kind of get used to the look. And I'm not gonna lie, man, I kind of like it. It is definitely different, man, because I'm used to the chrome. I'm used to the polished look. But let me know what y'all think, man. I think it looks pretty menacing with the carbon fiber. I really don't know what is my favorite, you know. I really wanted to put CCWs on the car, but you know, to be honest with you, my roads are not that great. I mean, I could say that they're garbage here in my town, you know. The ride height in the rear, it kind of settled, you know, it's not too bad. Before, with the 285s, it was bad. I could fit a whole fist in there, so, I mean, you could tell, it's not too bad. These are 275 40/18s, so I went for the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s. I was recommended these by a couple of guys. I went all the way around with them. They have an aggressive tread to them, but it's not so aggressive that it sucks in the rain. So I've been driving this car in the rain, as you guys can tell from all the crap on the wheels, but first time I got them, man, about 35 PSI, I did a first gear rip and it spun for a little bit and then they hooked. So I'm surprised, man. I hope, you know, this thing at least hooks in third gear with the supercharged, but I don't have high hopes for the street tires. But yeah, man, I like it. Looks damn good. It's different, man. It's different. I'm definitely gonna switch it up. But yeah, man, I will be keeping this setup for a while because I always regretted not having a street setup when I wanted to take the car out. And I'll be honest with y'all, man, these are here to stay. I really like them. So out of all the wheels, go ahead and drop them down below what y'all's favorite is on the car. We had the Salines. We had, well, let's start in the beginning. We had FR 500s when we bought the car. Then we switched to what? The SVE Series 3. Y'all can't say the wheels. They have to be a street series. So they were SVE Series 3s. Then I went back to 17-inch FR 500s. Then I had the chrome Salines. Then these. I guess we could count drag packs. I've had 2 pairs of the Weld RTS, and then I had the all black SVE Dark Stars. I had those on the car, and then I had the SVE Dark Stars on the back, and then I had the SVE Series 3s in the front. That looked pretty rad. But yeah, with the black color scheme, with the black badges, and then the black chrome wheels, they're not straight black, but I think they look good. I think they look good. We got somebody pulling up over here. Yeah, man, I like them. So yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all like them. Put a W in the chat if it's a W or L. You know, I don't mind. I think they look freaking good, man. It's different, and that's what I like. You know, it does kind of go with the color scheme, as you guys can tell. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. That's all that matters. Can't beat the look of SN95, man. It looks so damn good. So from now on, well, from where we're going here on out, is just drive the car, man. Enjoy it. Supercharge it. See where we can go with it. And yeah, I'm excited, man. Looks freaking awesome. Alright guys, so this is some scripture I wanted to share with y'all real quick before we end today's video. This is from Matthew chapter 5 verses 43 through 45. You have heard that it was said, love your neighbor and hate your enemy. But I tell you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you, that you may be children of your Father in heaven. He causes his sun to rise on the evil and the good, and the rain on the righteous and the unrighteous. So I know it's a hard thing to preach, and it's a hard thing to follow, guys, but it goes back to do good to those who do wrong to you. You don't have to be their friend. You don't have to be
be around them by any means. But to me, the scripture kind of just explains to turn your head, keep on walking, and wish them the best. I definitely try to implement this in my life, and I definitely am still working on this. But don't take revenge, guys. Don't think that revenge is the answer. Just keep on walking, man. Pray for those people, you know, who have ugliness in their heart, and keep praying, man. That's all I got for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, man. We have a ton more videos for you guys. I'd greatly appreciate you guys tuning in today. It's your boy ReyesBuilt. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. Stay blessed. Peace.